Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and it does not really matter on which mode you will be because we will have to enter the general settings. And what is more, I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's first of all enter the settings, as I said, which are in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on About, and then the reset option. Tap on reset. Now we can go back to the camera, and as you can see, the green lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.